Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking to elevate your dental care game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product that's been creating a bit of a buzz, the bixdo W60 Electric Toothbrush, with its professional blue light whitening feature. Paired with the unique PAP toothpaste designed specifically for sensitive teeth. Let's take a closer look and see if this duo is truly worth adding to your daily routine. The bixdo W60 is a combination electric toothbrush and LED teeth whitening kit that promises to clean and whiten in one step. The toothbrush utilizes a 460 nanometers professional blue light to activate the PAP heat toothpaste, which helps penetrate deep into your enamel for effective whitening. With high-speed vibrations of up to 31,000 VPM, it also removes surface stains with ease. The promise is that your teeth will be up to 21 shades lighter in 14 days and 4 times brighter by day 28. What's interesting about the bixdo W60 is that it comes with some smart features. The toothbrush is equipped with advanced AI sensors that monitor your brushing technique, ensuring you don't miss any areas. Plus, the toothbrush comes with 4 modes: White Plus, Fast, Deep, and Soft, so you can adjust the settings based on your specific needs. Another standout feature is the long battery life. Just one charge can last up to 180 days, making it a great option for travel or just convenience at home. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience with the bixdo W60. Setting it up was pretty straightforward. The brush charged quickly and was ready to use in no time. I've tried it with the provided PAP toothpaste, and the combination of blue light and sonic vibrations felt like a solid, professional-grade brushing experience. The brush's smart AI sensors are a nice touch, alerting me if I missed any spots, and I found the LED display particularly helpful in guiding me through the process. It made brushing feel more like a treatment than a chore. In terms of whitening, I did see a noticeable improvement in the brightness of my teeth after a few weeks of use, though I didn't hit the full 21 shades promised. That said, my teeth did feel smoother, and there was less visible staining, which is impressive for something that's also gentle enough for sensitive teeth. The toothpaste itself did take a bit of getting used to, especially the mild taste, but I noticed that my gums and enamel felt protected, which is a huge plus compared to other more abrasive whitening products. Now let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: effective whitening, especially for sensitive teeth. Smart AI features that guide your brushing for optimal coverage. Long battery life, 180 days on a single charge is exceptional. Travel-friendly design that makes it easy to take on the go. 4 adjustable modes for a customized brushing experience. Cons: whitening results may take longer than advertised for some users. The toothpaste's unique taste might require a brief adjustment period. Higher price point compared to traditional toothbrushes or basic electric toothbrushes. When it comes to value for money, this toothbrush definitely falls into the premium category. However, the added features, such as the professional-grade whitening, the smart AI brushing system, and the long-lasting battery, justify the price. If you're someone who prioritizes both gentle care for sensitive teeth and effective whitening, this could be worth the investment. In terms of competition, there are plenty of electric toothbrushes on the market, but few that combine whitening with advanced features like this one. If you're looking for something similar at a lower price point, brands like Sonicare or Oral-B offer solid electric toothbrushes, though they may not have the same whitening capabilities or AI guidance built in. The build quality of the bixdo W60 feels solid, and the materials used are durable. Given its impressive battery life and overall design, I'm confident this toothbrush will last for quite a while with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction with bixdo, but they do have a reputation for providing responsive service, especially on platforms like Amazon, where you can easily reach out for any issues or concerns. Now, if you're considering alternatives, you could look at simpler, more budget-friendly electric toothbrushes, like the Oral-B Pro 1000, which doesn't have the whitening light, but still delivers effective cleaning. But if you're set on a more complete whitening and cleaning solution, the bixdo W60 might be the right pick for you. So, what's the final verdict? The bixdo W60 Electric Toothbrush delivers on its promises of cleaner, brighter teeth with its dual whitening and cleaning capabilities. While it might not blow you away with immediate results, it provides steady, noticeable improvements over time, especially for sensitive teeth. If you're ready to take your brushing routine to the next level, this could be a great option for you. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so others in the market for a premium whitening toothbrush can find this review too. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the bixdo W60 in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts if you've tried this product already. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, keep your smile as bright as your future, and I'll see you again soon here at Beautyistic.